Hello, my name is Alex Standiford, and I am the developer of the Easy Beer Lister plugin and the CSV Importer add-on for Easy Beer Lister. This video is to show you guys how the CSV Importer works and how it can save you time with managing all of your beers on your website faster and easier. So, I actually already have the Easy Beer Lister plugin installed, as you can see here, because it has the beers. If I go over here, you'll notice I don't have any beer. So what I can do is, one, obviously I can go through and add them manually one at a time, like you would normally do. Or instead of doing it that way, I can actually use the CSV Importer add-on that I've installed by going to Tools, Easy Beer Lister CSV Import. And what this will do is it'll bring up this window and I can actually choose a file to import from, specifically a CSV. And that would be this file right here. But before I go and install that, let's go ahead and open that file up, see what it looks like. And we'll open up that file, my beers. Okay, so if you look at this file, you'll actually see that it has the name and all of these. So it has the name, the description, the excerpt, the ABV, IBU, gravity, the price, the URL, the untapped URL, the video URL, brewery name, brewery city, state, availability, beer styles, a pairing, and the featured image. And then all these different beer names. As the table goes down, you can see all the different names of the beers, description, and all of the values of all of these things have been added in this spreadsheet. Now, what's nice about this is a lot of brewers have a lot of their beer information saved somewhere, whether it's from accounting or something like that inside of a spreadsheet. So you're able to copy and paste a lot of that stuff pretty easily within Excel. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to import all of this data as individual beers inside of WordPress. So we're going to not save that, and we're going to go ahead and choose the file, and we're going to pick mybeers.csv and click open. Now if I hit preview import, it's going to actually show me what it's going to import before it actually does it. So you'll see first off it gave me a warning. It says I couldn't find the tags in your file. So one of the many pieces of metadata that you can add to your beers are tags. I chose to not add them in my CSV file, so this is just letting me know that, hey, I didn't find any. I'm not going to add any tags if I import this stuff, just so you know. But we're going to ignore that. I'm not that worried about it. I don't want to add tags to my beer, so we're going to just keep going. Now you'll see we can scroll down and it'll show every single beer and all of the information about every single one of them. And then once I click import, it's going to run through. Takes a minute because it's got to upload all the stuff. Starting the import process, this may take several minutes. Sit back and relax, I've got this. So it's still working on it. And you'll know when it's done because it'll say it's complete. Alright, and there we go. So you can see all these other beers were created. Unholy Famous Lambic, Sizzling Stunning Pilsner, Stumbling. So my beer names are kind of silly, but let's go ahead and take a look at the Succulent Love Stout. I'll click on that. It's going to open up that page. You'll see there it is, Succulent Love Stout from the Groovy Keeper Brewery in North Marion, Maine. Now if I go back and we look at all of our beers, you'll see that all of those beers have been imported. Click edit on this beer, you'll see the name, description, ABV, IBU, all the information was added directly from that CSV file. Now, where this really gets powerful is if you, let's say you change the price of about 10 of your beers. And so, you're increasing all of them by $1. You could go through each one of these and manually add $1 to it and hit save, on each beer. And it would take you a while, but you could do it. Or you can go back to the CSV file we had earlier, the one that we just used to import. Cell again. And we'll open up that beer CSV file. And then we're going to look at our prices. And let's say that, these beers, all of these are going to be increased by $1. So I can say, make this $7.99, this $10, $12.99. How about that? And we'll just do one more. So we'll say this one is now $10.99. Okay, so we're gonna save. Say yes. Now if we switch back over to our importer, go back to the import tool and choose that same CSV file again, mybeers.csv, and hit preview import. It's going to go through and show us the preview of the import again. We're going to go ahead and just click import, and it's going to actually check every beer and see if it needs to be updated or not. And it'll automatically, instead of creating a new beer or adding more to it, it's just going to overwrite all of the values that were on all of those beers before with the new values that are in the new spreadsheet. So that includes our new prices, such as $10.99 price, Pablo Picasso, Happy Hefeweizen. So if we go here and look at Pablo Picasso's Happy Hefeweizen, we'll see now that it is, oh, we have to write, the price doesn't show up on here. So if I click edit beer, you'll actually see the price right here at $10.99. Matches price here. So there you go. That's a lot of the value with this plugin. Not only does it allow you to do your initial import, but it'll allow you to batch edit and maintain all of your beer information from a spreadsheet instead of from within WordPress. The goal here is obviously to help you guys and save time for whenever you guys have a whole bunch of information that you need to add or remove. So there you go.